Hey folks, thanks again for tuning in to Dude Craft Guitars. Captain James Nelson here with a new one for you. Check this out. This is the Janice model. Now, some of you may recall a couple of years back I made the first Janice, and that's not the only one. So now we've got the Janice all set up, programmed, so we can duplicate and make more, and yes, I will. Now, some of you might also recall a few years back, about a year and a half or so, something like that, Gabe had ordered me to make a 12-string bass. Now it's actually a bajo sexto, which means unlike a lot of 12-string basses that are 6x2 or 4x3, this is actually this was 6x2. So it's actually 12, but it was multi-scale, and it was also had a bunch of different pickup funky things. He's good at that. He's good at asking me to do weird things with guitars. So he wanted to do Janice, and he wanted to do some things that were different from the original model. So this is what we came up with. Now all the gory details are over here in the description below, but basically we got Fishman's Fluence going on here, baby. So, and as you can see, lots of gold, including gold fretwire. So pretty cool. Evo gold. But anyway, like I said, all the details are over here. Enough of that chit-chat stuff. What does the bass sound like? So here's what it sounds like with both pickups in middle position and everything just cranked up. So let's hear what we got. I am not a bass player. I'm barely a guitar player. You know that. But anyway. Excuses aside, we've got F sharp, B, E. Again, all the details are over here. Okay, so we got some really good sounding frets. This thing, excuse me, that was with the phase switch put toggled. So this is regular in phase, and then this is so right now we've got it blended. This would be the forward pickup. Then this would be the rear pickup. Okay, and then you already heard in the middle. Let's see what we got. What is this? Okay, this is bass, so let's roll off a little bit of the bass, put them back in the middle. So it's real tinny. If we want real thin, we can go back to the bridge pickup in that mode. So that really cut through your mix. And we could even go into a single coil type. This thing's just amazing. Roll the bass back in, pull some of the treble off. Okay, go back into full humbucker type mode. That's about as clean as I normally play. So I've got no real effects on there. I think I've got a little compression on my board, and that's about it. I could play with this forever. I mean, it's just so much fun. And there you have it. Gabe, I hope you like it, and for all of you who just put up through all that noise, thanks again for tuning in to Dude Craft Guitars.